Guys, welcome to Nick's Fix. Today on this channel, we're going to learn how to fix p0440 on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the part number if you need to change it. This is called the eSIM. It's on the rear of the driver's side on the Grand Cherokee. This is the part number you will need for it at AutoZone. And it comes with a ring. There's a ring that goes inside. Make sure the ring comes out of it. I'm going to show you where it is and how to take it out and how to put it back in. Also, you need a trim tool to take it out because there's trim clips. I also bought the set of the clips from Amazon for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. I also got a smoke machine to find the smoke on the Grand Cherokee. Now I'm going to show you where to put this at on the Grand Cherokee. This is the Hyper Smoke. I love this thing. This thing is very good. I bought this from Amazon. This thing's awesome. I also got an impact gun, but we're not going to use it. This thing is very handy when you need it, but we're not going to use it. We're going to use common hand tools in the driveway. We also need a 10mm to get that two bolts out on the Grand Cherokee that's under the rear tire on the driver's side. I'm going to show you every step how to fix this problem. And it could be other problems, but I'm going to go through every step of where it could be at. So this is a p0440 on the Grand Cherokee evaporator emission system. So I'll show you everything in a few minutes. Thank you. Next will be the video of the information of the Grand Cherokee of the problems for it.